Hi everyone, welcome to the first Wednesday of the month Battle of the Stitches. This is a collab that Teresa from Critters Crochet and I have been doing for a very long time, and we invite up to 2 other creators to join us with videos every month. But if you're not into making videos but you would like to participate with us, don't worry. We have a Facebook page. It's listed in my description. It's just called Battle of the Stitches, and you can participate there. You can make something and post a picture rather than making a video. We do fun things over on the Facebook group. We do prizes and stuff like that. So if you wanted to join in over there, that's fine. If you would love to join us in making videos, either reach out to me or Teresa and we'll get you hooked up with a month. This month, Jana Kay from Leave It to Stitches is joining us, and I have her linked in my description below, so make sure you watch her. So this month and every month we work through a book by Tracey Todhunter called 200 Crochet Stitches. We go in order. So if you had a particular stitch that you really wanted to do with us, you can look ahead in the book. Right now, December 2025 is the number 20. It is number 25. The parquet stitch. It's really, really pretty. There are so many ideas swirling in my head for this one, so it was really hard to lock down one project for it. But I'm curious to see what everybody comes up with for it. But if you had this book and you were going through and you're like, ooh, I really like this one, like number 38 or whatever, we could figure out what month that is and we can set you up to be with us that month. So, and it gives you plenty of time. You don't have to pick the very next month if you were interested in joining us. You can pick something that's a little bit farther in the future if you want to have more time to work on it. So thanks for joining. I do have a tutorial. I'm going to list it at the end of the video for how to do the parquet stitch. So if you wanted to try it with us, you can. Like I said, there's a lot of really fun things that you can make with this stitch, and I'm really excited to show you what I came up with. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you next week for a sneak peek of what I've made. Bye.